Very good morning, friends. I'm Nalnakshi Swami. Welcoming to my channel Smart Index Edge. I'm going to explain my Nalini Precision Engine in detail so that you can trade better. Every trader, not, on, not only every trader, even for me, I used to start the day with one important question. Where is the market likely to move today? Most traders guess. That is what it was happening for me, also guessing. Guessing will not work in the market. And when you are trading on intraday, it should be precise. But my Nalini Precision Engine does not guess. It reads the market's first signal automatically. The moment the market opens at 9:15 a.m., the engine quietly observes the first 5 minutes of volatility. From this volatility data, it automatically creates layer 1. This layer includes pivot, R1, R2, S1 and S2. See, this is the 9:15 morning itself. Around 9:18, it starts plotting these layers. This is the morning layer which guides through till 12 p.m. These are the levels from the morning session, acts as road map from 9:15 a.m. to 12 p.m. So instead of confusion, you start the day with structure. See, you know these levels before this price action has happened. Where you are knowing? In the first 15 minutes, within the first 15 minutes itself, it starts plotting. It plots. You get these layers. So you have got roadmap. Roadmap on this day particular. You know where is the pivot, where is the R1, where is the R2, where is the S1 and S2. Here itself, in the first 15-minute candle, and see the price came down to this level, to S2, and start pulling back. This is how you can make out where is the pivot, where it can react. Since it has fallen below the pivot, it started moving up to the pivot and got rejected. It indicated weakness on this day because it has lost its pivot and started trading in the first hour itself. It lost its pivot. This was the balance line. And let me enable the layer 2. If I enable the layer 2, I am enabling layer 2 automatically. Can you see over here? These 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 levels, this blue color, matching with the layer 1, that is the pivot. R1, R2, S1, S2, from the 12 p.m. it will be plotted, going back to the 12:05 candle, and it plots it. So it will act as roadmap for the afternoon session. Then it becomes clear when price gets rejected from the layer 1 pivot, the morning session, and also layer 2 pivot and starts trading down, it is clear that trend is intact. Morning trend, which was down, was intact and carried on to the afternoon session too. Though you can see market broke down this layer 1 S2 and even it traveled this one. There are even S3 levels also. Let me enable those levels so that you will get the levels too for S3, R3, R4 and R5, S1, S2, S3 and S4, S5. I have enabled all the levels. Let them plot. It is not going to plot in this layer 1. Layer 1 is configured for R1, R2, but my rolling pivots will start plotting that. With that, you will come to know this. Now, I am enabling the rolling pivot. Now comes your trade. How to take the trade? You want to take trade with the guidance of rolling pivot. Let me go to the inputs and I'm enabling rolling pivot. See the box here. The first box, the price is below the pivot. The red thick line is the pivot and layer 1 support and the first volatility box, it is projecting towards S1 and S2. You get an idea. This is the entire boundary it plots. R1, R1, R2. See, from here, the market has fallen down. This was the pivot. It had become red, rolling pivot, the first layer. And you can see it guides through the day. Suppose if you are a scalper, you cannot take the trade because this is the trend indicator, Gann Hilo, running across with its color magenta. It is red, but it is just a pullback rally and no pivots have not turned green. They are all black and then they turned red, indicating that you can see pivot turning red, price is traveling along that. So that is the beauty. Suppose if the market is going up on the previous day, Wednesday, you can see layer 1 pivot. Morning layer 1 market immediately you can scalp it. That is what you get in on intraday. The range will be very minimal. Now, because of the VIX contracting, you are getting very minimal range. So, you could have traded for this range 176 with the layer 1 morning pivot, layer 1 as guidance. You could have ended. You could have caught this trend early. See, from here, price started moving here. The first 3 candles, fourth candle, fifth candle, you got this entry, right? You could have traded this with the rolling pivot. All are green. All are green. Afternoon session layer 2 plotting. Then compression started coming into the market. My price started compressing. It could not expand above the layer 2. Price has not moved above the layer 2 much and layer 1 or 2. Price stalled over there. It was a compression and which led to the expansion on yesterday. expansion market expanded to the downside, and probably morning itself, you need not worry, you need not guess. You need not guess within 5 minutes, 9:18, this layer 1 will be plotted. So understand this with the pivots. When the trend is intact, the Gann halo is blue, and color 0 pivot I have made it as blue to match with the Gann halo. Then automatically it goes. The trend, you pick the trend and you can trade it. And you could have traded with this trend, negative trend, even with this pullback. Here is the glitch. People do mistake here by going against the trend and trading against the trend, they jump into call option. That mistake will not happen for traders. See, today, then when I know this, it is below the pivot, below the Gann halo, the trend is down. So you wait for the rejection of this layer 1 pivot and layer 2 combination. You are entering into the put option again and beautiful pickup. So twice you could have entered into this put option, morning session itself, with the layer 1 as guidance and layer 2 as guidance, the confirmation of the trend, you are in the same direction. Same direction as the market was intraday. Finding out the direction is very difficult. With my layer 1 plot, layer 2 plot on the rolling my Nalini precision engine with the rolling pivots, dynamic color changing, everything, even the psychology, everything has taken care of in this indicator. So you will tune yourself, and you will become a disciplined trader with this indicator. That's how this is the beauty of the indicator. Not only this, apart from that, I've coded for the stocks to pick up. This table will give you the on the 6 hour time basis, on the pivot basis, it picks up the bullish stocks and bearish stocks, and also it shows the how much whether this signal is how many age old. Also signal age is also plotted here, and it says buy signal and sell signal. You get the stocks. Let us go, and it has given Kotak Bank as the buy for single day. That means yesterday Kotak Bank has come into the radar as a buy signal. Let me type out how. Or you can quarantine that stock for today also. Let me go back and see Kotak Bank has come as a buy signal but it has gone down. Today you can keep it in your watch list. It may reverse. It may reverse, and you can trade it, lay with the layer 1 and layer 2. Like that, you can pick up stocks and you can track what has happened on the previous day. See, this stock, it was a gap up, and previous day lay S1 and S2. It has not come below this. It has given a discount to S2, even though gap up, and it was a pullback. Retest of this level, you can keep it as a bonus. You can keep it as in your watch list. And automatically, I'm not worried. I keep a quarantine this stock, and my layer 1, layer 2 layer 1 will guide me through the entire morning session. See, the market trend was up, even though you can see it is a buy signal. Entire thing is price is above this. This is not a sell. The market has come down. It has given, discount. This is the pattern. What it has created is high, higher low, and it can continue like this. So it becomes easy for you to read the structure also. This is what Nalini Precision Engine helps you out in taking your trade. Your entry becomes precise. Let me go back and tell you the precision of my entry in the Nifty put option. Let me type out Nifty and I'll show you how precisely you can enter out of the money put option also. So that because nowadays, because of the VIX at higher levels, even though it has been discounted, it had come to 19, but it is still very high. The premiums are at the money and the in the money options are very high. For a normal retail trader, it becomes very heavy for him to take even one lot. So let me show you, let me take you to the Nifty put option. This is the put option, 23,700 put option, how you could have taken precisely. Okay. Now I will disable how you need to do. Disable the rolling pivot and let us calmly watch the layer 1. This is previous day 12 p.m. layer 2 for this put option. So what you are going to do is you mark this boundary or you put a rectangle over this and let me highlight this. Let me make it dim so that you know this. This is the zone. If the price is above this zone, it is positive. And automatically it plotted the pivot layer 1 by picking up layer 1, pivot S1 and S2, R1, R2. Morning itself you got the guideline and this layer 1 pivot price is aligning above the previous day 12 p.m. box as well as the layer 1. So immediately in the first two candles itself, you could have captured this, and later during the day, the market came down. It did not breach the previous day layer, 12 p.m. layer 2. And the Gann Hilo is intact. And present day layer 2 has formed and you can enter very precisely even here itself. See, the price was, if I place the cursor on this, 110 rupees. Your stop loss becomes very minimal, S2, 108 or 106, even for a safer side if you keep that, or keeping the previous day 12 p.m. S2 level also aligns with the 108. You could have taken this trade very confidently even though it was choppy. It rallied up to, you see I am placing the cursor on this candle. You see the high of this candle was 209. 209. So with these two guidelines and with enabling the rolling pivot, it acts as guideline for your trade. The price is climbing step by step the pivots. These pivots are acting as when you climb price climbers. These will act as trailing stop loss and the trend is intact and it is blue colored. This is how you can carry on the trade. And when it started becoming black, when it starts closing below that, you are ending your trade. This is how step so simple. This Nalini precision is engine is so precise, so simple. It guides you through the day. Every morning session, immediately, no confusion, nothing. You get the layers, you get the levels, you get the guidance. What more you want? Somebody sitting behind you and guiding you. No more guessing, nothing. You are entering the trade with precision. No confusion. You are trading with confidence. No hiccups, nothing. This is how you can take the trade with the Nalini precision engine. It has been designed so well, it directly takes the values from the data from the price. It is not a derived indicator. It is directly from the price. It is not like MACD or RSI or anything. So reliable. It has been created so well. Friends, if you want to access this indicator, you can WhatsApp me on this number 98452096000. You can get the details of the indicator. It is a paid indicator. I'm offering for the people. I'm not charging any exorbitant price for this. It is for lifetime access. It is reasonable. And you can take the benefit of this indicator and you can make your trading journey very smooth and profitable. And whoever has taken my indicator, for the people, they follow these rules with clarity and you start seeing the indicator in this way. Step by step, I have explained you with clarity, you follow the guidelines. Thank you very much, friends. Nalnakshi Swami signing off.